In this video, I'll show you how you can get custom songs and custom mods in Beat Saber on your Steam. Now, first step is you want to head over to Steam Store right here and search for Beat Saber. Now, once you have found it, you will then come in here and you're going to click on the Community Hub. Let's let it load for a little bit. And from in here, what you want to do is head over to the guides. There's a little button up here. You're just going to click on guides and you will come to this page. Now from in here, if you can find it, Beat Saber Modding Guide Working 2024 by Jaffa Cakes, just simply press on it. If you cannot find it, click on Modding or Configuration and it will pop up in here. You can also search for it, but make sure you choose this one. And once you come in here, it will show you exactly what you need to do, what you need to download, and everything step by step how you can do it. So simply you want to go in here and you want to follow this simple guide. It's really easy and you only have to download one mod assistant right here and then you can get started already. So that's basically how you can do it on Steam, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.